Here we have the cleaning supplies. You have a good selection here. Might surprise you to learn that here in Taiwan, the students clean the schools. Not a janitor, the students do it. Again, this is cleaning supplies. To name them, this is a broom for sweeping the floor. Dustpan for picking up the dust. This is a mop for mopping the floor. Here we have, the correct word is a bucket. A bucket. A more common word is a pail. A pail used to carry water. Inside the pail, smaller brushes for cleaning smaller areas. Here we have a recycle box. Items that can be recycled go in here. They do not go in the regular trash. You might ask, what is this? I'll show you. There's too much stuff in here. You need to pack it down. You don't want to use your hand to do it. This way you don't have to. Your hand does not get dirty. This is the regular trash bin or garbage can, whichever way you want to use that word. Push the door open, put the trash in. This one says rubbish bin. Rubbish bin is the correct word. Trash can is the word that in the US everybody would use. Again, cleaning supplies. Trash can, recycle bin, pail, mop, broom, dustpan. A nice thing about dustpans here is they have handles on them. You don't have to bend over.